In the last video, we looked at the guidance that was available for both operators and regulators. This video will look at monitoring and testing requirements. Monitoring and testing the spa pool or hot tub is an essential part of the scheme of control. General daily monitoring must consider the fitness of the water for users and include colour, clarity, temperature, the number of people using the pool at the time, the disinfectant levels, and the pH. For commercial spa pools, the guidance requires that the pool is monitored at least every 2 hours. The HPA guidance is that commercial spa pools should be tested a minimum of 3 times daily or every 2 hours. Holiday lets aren't really compatible with the pool being tested 3 times a day because of the intrusion and the difficulties for operators who may not be on the site all day. Also, the bather demand at holiday lets is generally considerably lower than in spa pools in hotels or leisure complexes. Therefore, our local advice to hot tub operators in holiday lets is that the pool must be tested every morning and retested after 2 hours should any corrective action be required, such as correcting the disinfection or adjusting the pH. Microbiological standards for spa pools are set out in the Health Protection Agency guidance. Operators of spa pools should have arrangements in place for monthly microbiological testing and quarterly Legionella testing using an accredited laboratory. The specific standards are as follows. Legionella species, less than 100 colony-forming units per milliliter. Aerobic colony count at 37 degrees C, less than 100 colony-forming units per milliliter. Coliforms, E. coli, and Pseudomonas aeruginosa should not be detected in 100 milliliters. Good record keeping is essential. Records of monitoring, inspections, checks and tests must be kept for a minimum of 5 years. All other records must be kept as long as they are current and for 2 years after that. Proportionately, we expect our commercial spa pool operators to be submitting samples for microbiological testing at these frequencies. We do not expect operators of single holiday lets to do the same. Argyll and Bute Council have designed a simple record sheet for holiday let operators which covers all the monitoring and checks that should be carried out. The sheet covers 1 week's records and includes space for recording any corrective actions that were taken. The next video will look at enforcement issues.